Today we're going to make a tissue paper collage pine tree. First, you're going to get your piece of paper and trace your triangle. Then you're going to get a little bucket of watery glue. Carefully take off the top, and you might have to stir this up a little bit, so be very gentle and careful in your stirring. Once that is ready to go, you can take tissue paper and start ripping little pieces. You want them to lay flat. You're prepping your tissue papers, whatever colors you would like to use. Now you're going to take off the drip and just paint a little section of the watery glue and start to press it on. Your fingers will get gluey. It's okay. Just rub them together to roll the glue off. You're going to continue overlapping pieces of tissue paper. Rip them smaller if you need. I'm going to try to get that little tiny one on top. It's okay if you go out of your pencil line because we're going to wind up cutting this out. So now that you've got some tissue on, you can just brush the glue back on top and really secure those pieces down. I'm going to move on and do the next little section. Sometimes it helps to use the brush to hold the tissue in place because your fingers start getting sticky. Lots of overlapping. Okay, next step is tricky. You got to cut out your pine tree. So you will get a little gluey. No big deal. And your paper might be really kind of wet for this. If you have a tough time, just ask the teacher for some help. It can be tricky. Okay. Your very last step is to add a tree trunk if you would like one. You don't have to have one. And I'm going to take a regular glue bottle and just do a tiny dot of glue at the top and put it under the tree. Done! I hope you have fun making your tissue paper collage.